What's the wildest thing someone did to avoid consequences? Okay, so my buddy Mark was notorious for skipping work. One Monday, his boss called him, demanding to know why he wasn't in. Mark, instead of owning up, started describing a fictitious car accident, bent fender, smoke, the whole 9 yards. His boss, surprisingly, bought it and told him to take the day off to deal with it. Mark, feeling like a genius, posted about his lucky escape on social media, completely forgetting his boss followed him. The inevitable happened. His boss saw the post of him chilling at the beach. Mark got fired, of course, but not before his boss commented, "Hope you enjoyed the imaginary beach, because your job here is certainly imaginary now."